What is up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I am in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania at Tanner Serpa's house. We're building a recreational pond. It's going to be really crazy. I mean, they've already excavated a lot of it, started building a lot, but we're going to be able to finish out the pond edges. We're going to build a wetland. We're going to finish out the intake bay, finish up some jets, and then, of course, the waterfall. So let's get to work.
I can see a million starlights. In your eyes, I can see a million starlights. In your eyes, I can see a million starlights. Calling me, 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 calling me. Say calling me, 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 calling me. Starlight, starlight, starlight.
We're moving along. It's raining. We got machines going. Got 3 machines running. We got the pond pretty much all rocked in. We're working on getting some of the edges all clammed up and rocked in. We're getting different types of gravel working. Intake base pretty much done. We got all the plumbing in. Now we're basically building the waterfall, getting ready for water tomorrow, and also to dig out our wetland. Who's playing here?
Sean Paul. This venue's real humble.
Yo, bet. All right, so we got the pond filled up. We got the excavation done for the wetland, got some of that built. We're waiting on some underlayment so that we can actually finish the overlap. And so we're gonna start placing some of the waterfall rocks and transition into the wetland. Let's keep going. All right, day 2 is pretty much a wrap. It's dark. We gotta cut it. We didn't finish, but we'll be back tomorrow to get this going. All right, that's it. that's all. It's finished. I'm going to post this obviously after Tanner and Team Aquascape and whatnot, but I really appreciate you watching. I'm enjoying his fish room. It's awesome. It's even better in person. So thanks for watching. Peace out.
Put me in, spin me around.